Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Upari. Hope you are doing well. And if you're tuning into this video, chances are you are curious about FreshLearn. You might be asking yourself, is this platform legit? Can you actually make money here? What's it all about? Well, let's dive into FreshLearn and see if it's a viable option for making money online, or there are any better alternatives out there. And guys, if you want to know my favorite method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home, just by making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please click the first link in the description. And also please stick to this video till the end. I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Just ask yourself, if a normal Indian person like me who can create systems and make money in dollars, why can't you do the same? Now on this channel, I've reviewed tons of ways to make money online. Some are great, some are so-so, and honestly, some are just waste of time. So let's take a closer look at FreshLearn and see what it has to offer and if it's a worthwhile option for earning income online. So what exactly is FreshLearn? Well, it's essentially a membership platform that allows you to create and sell your own courses, like digital downloads, PDFs, ebooks, and more. You can put your content behind a paywall, and once someone pays, they get access to your materials. It's that simple. But to make this work, you need to be someone who's ready to sell something. Maybe you are into educational industry, like digital expert, life coach, health coach, or maybe you are an author of a video courses. Perhaps you are into like yoga, meditation, cooking, or you might be a digital entrepreneur, whatever your expertise. FreshLearn provides a platform for you to package and sell your knowledge in various formats, from digital courses to live workshops. And you can create sales pages, offer discounts, set up affiliates. If you would like to hire any affiliates, then you are having a dedicated option for that. And also you can even find more options, all within FreshLearn platform. They provide tools like a drag and drop website builder, integrated blogs, email features, and even options for gamifying your courses to enhance your user engagement. Got it? Now let's talk about some of the key features. Here you can create courses, masterclasses, and digital downloads. Plus, there's a community aspect to engage with your audience. Okay. Now the platform also offers mobile optimization, compliance features like completion certificates. Once you're done with any course, you can provide certifications to your students, and the ability to set assignments and quizzes to enhance the learning experience. Now let's move on with the pricing. FreshLearn's pricing is quite reasonable. While there's a free version, I recommend opting for the pro version, which starts at just $39 per month. This gives you unlimited enrollments and access to essential features. There's also a higher tier price plan called No Brainer, offering additional perks for a bit more money. Compared to other popular membership platforms like Teachable and Thinkific, FreshLearn stands out for its affordability. Teachable's Pro plan, for example, starts at $159 per month, while Thinkific comparable plan is nearly $100 a month. FreshLearn offers similar features at the fraction of the cost. However, it's important to note that FreshLearn is just a platform, while it provides the tools for creating and selling courses. It's up to you to market your offering effectively. Here you will need to develop your sales page, understand marketing strategy, and drive traffic to your courses. So FreshLearn is a solid option for anyone looking to monetize their expertise through online courses, and it's affordable, future rich, and user friendly. Just keep in mind that success will depend on your ability to market your courses effectively. So if you are ready to take the plunge into online course creation, FreshLearn could be the platform for you. So check out at freshlearn.com, or you can visit the second link from the description down below. And guys, if creating courses isn't your thing and you're still eager to make money online, I've got you covered. Check out my free masterclass by clicking the link below, where I share a proven strategy for beginners to earn their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month through online. And as I promised, I would also like to give you a bonus. But before that, just imagine if an ordinary Indian person like me, who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these kinds of automated systems, as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? So when you go across with the courses section, there you will be finding a bundle of courses. So I'm about to give you this complete courses for absolutely free if you take action right now by just clicking the URL over there. Okay, once you go across with that URL, just you need to join my community. And please make a note, I'm going to give away these courses for the first 100 members who join this community. All right, so please take action and be the lucky person to be into my community and get access to this complete bundle for absolutely free. So thanks for watching this review of FreshLearn. And if you're newly watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification. And I wish you all the best on your journey to online success. Take care, and I hope to see you in the next video review. Have a great day. Bye-bye.